Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's having a fun time railroading. I've been really busy. I've been out of the loop for a while now. A couple weeks ago, I started 3D printing old scale excursion cars and houses and buildings and all these types of items that are not made in old scale. And it's off the chain. I mean, I put them on eBay, on my Etsy, Facebook, and I've been hammered. I didn't know there was such a big demand for all these items. So I've been neglecting my YouTube because of all the work and then regular work. But I have something special for you. If you all have ever seen Petticoat Junction, I used to love that growing up as a kid. It was an awesome show. And I had a request to do the Sierra number 5 combine that is shown on the Petticoat Junction show. And I have it here for you. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to run it. And what a beautiful little combine. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like always, happy railroading. So there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on my 3D design and build and run of the Sierra number 5. Happy railroading. Bye.